Dr. B.V. Satyavati ji, Dr. Alok Kumar Suman ji, dear Dr. Satyavati, Madam, we thank you for the excellent work undertaken during COVID-19 through the Village Volunteer Network, and you have correctly stated that this is the right time to prepare for the future and strengthen the healthcare system. Thank you once again for your support for this important regulatory reform to help us ensure affordable, accessible and quality healthcare services to all of India's citizens. A National Allied and Healthcare Advisory Council to advise the National Commission with representation from all the states has also been proposed to enable adequate representation from all states and union territories. Further, each state will be having a separate state council with 4 autonomous boards pertaining to undergraduate education, postgraduate education, assessment and rating, and ethics and registration. Since allied and healthcare professions include a wide variety of different professions, numbering more than 56, a common regulatory body has been prepared for all these professions. We have carefully considered the invaluable inputs of the Parliamentary Standing Committee members and incorporated almost all of those in this bill. The year 2021 has been designated as the International Year of Health and Care Workers by the World Health Organization. I feel happy and delighted that in this very year, we are considering a landmark legislation that will reform and open up huge opportunities for our allied and healthcare professionals. Colleagues, India is not only being looked up to as the vaccine manufacturing and pharmacy of the world, but also for our competent and compassionate health workers, doctors, nurses, and allied and healthcare professionals. By 2030, the World Health Organization has predicted a shortage of 1.8 crore healthcare workers in the world, of which almost half will likely be in the allied and healthcare professional space. Our 80 lakh plus strong healthcare workers today include a large number of allied and healthcare professionals who have the ability not only to contribute in a much bigger way at home, but also as part of the global health workforce. This bill, once enacted, aims to establish a central statutory body as National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions. The Commission will frame policies and standards, regulate professional conduct, and prescribe qualifications for all these professions. The Commission will be supported by 10 broad professional councils, each comprising 1 or more professions. The institutional structure proposed in the bill enables assessment and rating of all the allied and healthcare institutions to ensure uniform standards and quality assurance. This also provides for registration of all the allied and healthcare professionals, facilitating their career growth and improving their employment potential both within and outside India. All the professions have been coded as per the International Labour Organization's international standard for classification of occupation, which also allow them for global recognition and mobility.